Hello my dear 4th class children. A very good morning to each and everyone. Welcome back to our social class. Children, do you know today our topic is about the main landforms of India. So you don't know what is the landforms. In the previous class, that is 3rd class, you know the little bit of landforms, mountain, hills like that. But in this class, we are going to learn the landforms of our country. So we are learning about our country, no? So what are the landforms are there in our country? What are there? Today we are going to learn. So how many landforms are there in India? So the first one is mountains. So what is the first one? Mountain. The first landform of India is mountains. Then the second one is hills. Second one hills. Third one plateaus. Third one plateaus. And the fourth one is plains. And the fourth one is plains. Then fifth one is deserts. And the sixth one is coastal island, coastal plains, then islands, So children, these are the landforms of our country. So how many are there? 7. So what is the first one? Mountains. Second one, hills. Third one, plateaus. Fourth one, plains. Fifth one, desert. Sixth one, coastal plains. And the seventh one is islands. Okay children, today we are discussing about the mountains, hills and the plateaus. 3 mountains, hills and the plateaus. In the next class, we discuss about the plains, desert, coastal plains and the islands. Okay children? So we move on to the mountains. See, India has different types of landforms. Let us read about the description about the landforms. Understood? The first one is mountains. The first one is mountains. Mountains are much higher than the land around it. So what is a mountain? The land is down now, isn't it? The land is down and the mountains are very up to the land. Okay, they have the steep slopes and high peaks. Okay children, listen how the mountains will look. It look like this, no? So they have the steep slopes, peaks. This is called the peaks. So steep slope means, so when you play with the slide, isn't it? When you slide from up to down, no, that is called the steep. That is called the steep. So what the mountains have? Mountains have steep slopes and the peaks. Peaks means when you sharp the pencil, then what will happen? It look very sharp. That is called the peak. So mountains have, the peaks are pointed tops. The peaks are, so first one is steep slopes and the peaks are pointed tops. Peaks are pointed tops. So these are the features of the mountains. These are the features of the mountain. What is the first feature? The mountain has steep slopes. The mountain has steep slopes and they have, and the peaks are pointed peaks, pointed tops. Like the pencil, when you sharp the pencil, the point will be like this, no, very sharp. The peaks of the mountains are the same like this. And the mountains have rocky land. Mountains have rocky land and thin soil. Thin soil. Mountains have rocky land and thin soil. So when what type of soil you find on the mountains? The mountains have the rocky land. All the rocks will be on the mountains, and you find only the thin soil, little bit soil on the mountains. And the mountains are covered with snow in the winter. Covered with snow. In which season you get the snow? Winter season, no? So in winter season, the mountains are all covered with the snow. Top. Do you know the Himalayas? When you see the Himalayas, you find all the white color. So what is that white color? The white color is the snow. The Himalayas are also called the mountain snow, the largest mountain. So what the mountains covered with? The mountains covered with snow, especially in winter season. Especially in winter season. Okay, children. Then a number of mountains join together form a chain. It is called mountain range. So what is called the mountain range? See. This is called the mountain range. This is called the mountain range. So when you number of mountains joining together, it is called mountain range. So the mountain range can spread over hundreds of kilometers. So hundreds of kilometers, very very far, the mountain ranges. So it is look like this. The mountain ranges will look like this. So when the mountain join together, then it is called the mountain range. When it is called mountain range, so it is spread nearly 100 of kilometers. Understood, children? When you go see the mountains, you can find the mountain ranges. Understood? So one more time and explain the features of the mountain. So what is the first feature? So the mountains have the steepy slopes. The mountains have the steepy slopes and the peaks are pointed tops. This is called the peak. This is called the peak. The peaks are pointed tops, and the mountains are rocky land and thin soil. The mountains are rocky land and the thin soil, and the mountains are covered with what? Covered with snow, especially in winter season. So when you join the mountains together, see the mountains joining together is called the mountain range. Okay, children, then we move on to the hills. The second is hills. So let us discuss about the hills, the features of the hills. Hills are lower than the mountains. Hills are lower. What is the first point? Hills are lower than the mountains. Hills are lower than the mountains. So mountains are very high. Hills are smaller than the mountains. Lower means they are smaller. Okay. But higher than their surrounding areas. Hills are higher than the surrounding. They can spread more area. Mountains less, but the hills are surrounded more area. They have gentle slope. So second is gentle slope. See, this is called hill. So they have the gentle slope. gentle slope, and the third one is hills are usually covered with trees and grass. They covered with trees and grass. Trees and grass. And they have round top. They have round top. Round top. So what hills have what top? Round top. Whereas mountains have the peak, sharp pointed tops, but the hills have round tops. So these are the features of a hills. So let me explain one more time to you. So what are the features? The features of the hills are lower than the mountains. Lower than the mountains, and they have the gentle slopes. They have not steepy slopes like mountains. They have the gentle slopes, and they are covered with trees and grasses. Trees and grasses. So the soil is very good on the hills. Then they have the round tops, and they have the round tops. Okay children, then we move on to the plateaus. Then we move on to the plateaus. Okay, so plateaus are highlands which are flat at time. This is called the plateau. This is called the plateau. So what the plateaus have? Plateaus have high, the features high lands with flat top, with flat top, and they have steepy sides. See like this. They have steepy sides. They look like table. They look like table. They look like table. They look like table and also called the tablelands. So the plateaus are called tablelands. Tablelands. See, one more time I will explain about the plateaus. So the plateaus have high land with the flat top. They don't have the round top like hills. They don't have the pointed top peaks like mountains, but they have the flat top. When you see the table, so how the table will look like? It look like this, zigzag like the mountains. No, isn't it? It is not. No. So when you see the table, it is flat. So the plateau is also same like a flat. It is same like a flat. So the plateau, you can call the plateau as tableland. Okay children, these are the what features of a mountains, hills and the plateaus. Mountain, hills and the plateaus. I hope you understand about the mountains, about the hills, about the plateau. In the later class we discuss about the other landforms. So until, be safe and take and read whatever I explained in the video. Please open your smart book. I hope everyone purchase the smart book too and try to read it. Try to read it. Understood? Again, learn the features. So copy all the features in our book. When in the Zoom class we can discuss about the features of a mountain, hills and the plateau. Okay children, be safe until we meet in the next class.